Hi, I'm Cher with Designs by Studio C, and today I'm going to give you a few tips on using a pocket hole jig. Now the one I'm demonstrating with today is the Kreg jig. It's not the only one on the market, it's just one of the more popular brands. So this particular model will drill a single pocket hole, and it comes with the jig, the driver, the drill bit, and the Allen wrench for adjusting the stop collar, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. Now, this jig can be used on the most popular thicknesses of lumber, being 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, or 1.5 inches. It's just that to get the proper depth, what will need to happen is that the stop collar on the drill bit will have to be adjusted for the different thicknesses. And I did create a small chart at the bottom of this post that'll show you the different depths that it'll need to be set at. You'll measure from the step, which is this point right here at the end, to the bottom of the stop collar. Now, one thing that you could do is take a hacksaw and at each mark, use the hacksaw and create a little groove so that way you don't have to measure each and every time. I use 2 different drill bits because I use 3/4 inch material and 1.5 inch material, and it was just easier for me to have 2 of them set for the 2 different thicknesses, and then I go on my way. So you can these don't come with a clamp, but you can use any type of clamp. You can use this type of clamp, or you can use a regular old C clamp, and you just clamp it to your workpiece and drill your hole, and you're on your way. And another really cool thing about this jig is it's got this nifty little groove on the bottom, so that when you go to plug your pocket hole, you stick the plug in there like this, and it helps guide it into the hole. How cool is that? Anyway, thanks for stopping by.